By the end of the video, we'll know about how to lose skinny fat as a female, transforming your body into a leaner and more toned physique. Skinny fat is characterized by having a low muscle mass and higher body fat percentage, despite being of normal weight. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you achieve your fitness goals effectively. Effective strategies to lose skinny fat. 1. Strength training. Focus on resistance exercises that target multiple muscle groups. This helps build lean muscle mass and boost metabolism. Include exercises like squats, lunges, deadlifts, push-ups, and rows in your workout routine. Aim for 3 to 4 strength training sessions per week. 2. High intensity interval training. HIIT workouts are excellent for burning calories and promoting fat loss. They involve short bursts of intense exercise, followed by brief periods of rest. Examples include sprinting, jumping jacks, burpees, and cycling. Incorporate HIIT workouts 2 to 3 times per week. 3. Cardiovascular exercise. In addition to HIIT, include steady-state cardio exercises such as jogging, swimming, or cycling. Aim for 30 to 45 minutes of moderate intensity cardio sessions, 1 to 2 times per week, to further enhance fat burning. 4. Nutrition. Focus on a balanced diet that is rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive alcohol intake. Ensure you're consuming enough protein to support muscle growth and repair. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Lifestyle adjustments. 5. Get sufficient sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and overall health. 6. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your metabolism. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Monitoring progress. 7. Track your progress. Take measurements, photos, and keep a workout journal to track your journey. Celebrate your successes and adjust your plan as needed. Patience and consistency. 8. Be patient. Results take time, so stay committed to your fitness routine and trust the process. Every small step counts towards your goal. Conclusion. Losing skinny fat requires a combination of strength training, cardio, proper nutrition, and lifestyle adjustments. By following these strategies consistently, you can achieve a leaner and healthier body. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on improving your fitness and overall well-being.